Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start now, lock out power and confirm the machine is safe to touch. Find the drive shaft 0 degrees reference and mark cam wheel alignment. This gives a fixed baseline for timing. Once marked, release minimal tension to rotate components by hand and verify no binding. This tells you if the system is seized or free. Make sure to note belt or chain slack and idler positions so you can restore them after timing. This prevents surprises when you test run. You now align timing marks precisely. Hold the drive at 0 degrees and adjust the tensioner to the specified tension. Next, match the pulley, cam, and index plate marks. Go slowly and recheck each mark after slight rotation. Small errors amplify. Use a dial indicator or gauge to confirm stroke positions and phase within tolerance. This verifies the internal geometry, not just external marks. Once confirmed, snug fasteners to spec, but leave slight adjustability for final tuning. You finish by torquing bolts to spec and restoring belt or chain tension to the recorded values so dynamics match your baseline. Run slow test cycles while observing for skips, abnormal noise, or timing drift. This confirms dynamic timing under load. If problems appear, stop and recheck alignment marks, tension, and cam phasing. Often a loose fastener or incorrect tension causes drift. One key tip: if timing inconsistent, isolate load and retime.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.